Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Humana for Medicare plan enrollment, full guide step by step clearly. On the home page, locate the Medicare section. Click on the link that states Medicare plans. You will see various Medicare plan options available. Choose the type of plan that best fits your needs, such as Medicare Advantage, prescription drug plan, or Medicare supplement. Once you select a plan, click on it to get more details. Review the coverage options and benefits associated with the plan. If the plan meets your requirements, click on the Get Started or Enroll Now button. You will be prompted to enter personal information like your name, date of birth, and Medicare number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays in the enrollment process. Next, create an account with Humana if you do not already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your username and password. Once your account is active, log in to complete your enrollment. Fill out any additional information required on the enrollment form. Review all entries for accuracy before submitting your application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for important updates from Humana regarding your enrollment status. If you have questions, consider reaching out to Humana's customer service for assistance. Once you receive your Medicare plan details, review them carefully to ensure everything is correct. Congratulations, you are now enrolled in your chosen Humana Medicare plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.